Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is the second video of React tutorial. In this video we are going to see package.json file. Before start, I will recommend you to watch full series of this tutorial for better understanding. To watch full series, click here. You can find link in description as well. So let's get started. Today we are going to understand package.json file. If you run create react app command, then it will take care of file creation. So package.json is used to store metadata associated with the project as well as to store the list of dependency packages. So this is the package.json file which is present in root folder of project. If you observe, you can see that it's having JSON format. If you are familiar with JSON, then you can easily understand this format. This having key and value pairs. If you see all attributes, some of them are basic and clear from their names. So let's see one by one. So here first attribute is name. Name contains the name of your project which we have given while creating the project. Second attribute is version. Version is the current version of your app. Create React app command will initialize it as a 0.1.0. Next is private. It is one of the most crucial attribute. The use of that is if you set private as a true in your package.json, then npm will refuse to publish it within npm ecosystem. This is the way to prevent the accidental publication of private repositories. Next is dependencies. So dependencies contains all the required node module and their versions for the application in production. If you see React version, it's specified as caret 17.0.1, which means that npm will install the most recent major version matching to 17 point something. Now let's check by installing one new package, how it's work and what happened after installation. So open terminal here and write npm install bootstrap dash dash save. So dash dash save will save that package into our package.json file. Here you can see once the installation done, entries get added here in package.json file with their version. Next is script. Script is nothing but the aliases that you can use to access some of the React script commands in more efficient manner. For example, running npm start in your command line will run React script start behind the screen. Similar for other attributes like build and test, etc. If you want to add any command, then you can add it with alias and execute with npm like npm and your alias name. And remaining both are the node modules having their own set of values. They have been recently added in create react app command. From that, browser list provides the information about the browser compatibility of the app. And eslintconfig take care of the code linting. Linting is a automatic code checking tool and it is used to check programmatic and stylistic errors. Without going more complexity, let's start with practical. So that's it for today. In this video, you have learned what is package.json file and what it contains and what is the importance of all the attributes. In next video, we will start the creating the new component. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.